Hey Natural Beauties, as most of you know who follow my channel now, I'm not one to wear a lot of makeup. I like to keep it simple. I wear very little to no makeup in the majority of my videos, and the only way for me to do that is to have my skin on point. So in this video, I'm showing you how I do just that. If you're curious to see how I achieve this glowy, beautiful skin, keep watching. Hey Natural Beauties, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Cherie, and we are doing a very special video today. I am going to be showing you a bit of my winter skincare routine, and I like to just start that off with a nice deep steam treatment. Yes, and I have a little bit of a hack to how I get the steam application applied. So check this out. This is the Caruso roller steamer. Yeah, the rollers that you use for hair steaming rollers. I use that same tool that you use to steam the rollers for your hair, and I can use it as a steam treatment. And I'm just trying to kind of show you here how the steam is coming out. It's kind of hard to see. There we go. So I fill it with water, turn it on, and let it apply to my face as a nice steam treatment. Another way you can do this, obviously, is by steaming a pot of water on your stove and kind of putting your face over that for about 10 minutes or so. Nothing to where the temperature is too hot for your skin and you're, in fear of burning yourself. Be safe, guys. So I'm just going to let this go over my skin for several minutes until you almost kind of feel like you're sweating a bit, and that's just your pores opening up and ready to receive all of this cleansing and moisture that you will do once the steam is over. That is step one to a nice glowy process. So now we have to cleanse the face, get out all the impurities, the dirt, the leftover makeup, and I'm just using the Squalene cleanser by The Ordinary. I will put all of the items that I use in this process down below in the video description box, so if you have any questions on anything, it will be there. With this cleanser, what I love about it is that you can apply it to your face without having to wet your face. You rub it together in your hand and it kind of emulsifies into an oil, and it goes on so smooth and soft and very creamy. And when I first used this a couple of times at the beginning of me trying it out, I was like, is this really cleaning my skin? But of course you're able to test that if you take like a baby wipe or makeup wipe and just kind of go over and see if it is actually removing anything. And you guys, it really does work. I have very sensitive skin, so I was very picky about the type of cleanser I wanted to use for my face, but this one seemed to be working out just fine, so I definitely recommend it. And again, I'll have the details on this cleanser down below. Alright, so we've got the cleanser applied all over our face, and now to remove the cleanser and all of the dirt and oils that may be with it, I'm just going in with a warm wet washcloth, a clean warm wet washcloth. You definitely want to make sure anything you're applying to your face, as far as textile wise, any towels or paper towels, anything like that, it should be clean. You want to avoid infections and anything coming into contact with your face that is not clean as much as possible. So make sure your linens are clean before you apply them. You definitely want to take care to do that, and I'm just going to rub this over my face gently to remove all of the cleanser. Definitely try to be as gentle as possible. There's no need to rub vigorously. If you're worried about anything being left over, you can always take a makeup wipe just to test it out. But honestly, once your pores are open and you have that warm water applied across your face, this should definitely do the trick. Alright, next I'm going in with my Mario Badescu facial spray. It's got aloe, herbs, and rose water. And this is just like a nice facial mist. It's very moisturizing. It definitely hydrates or rehydrates your skin. It revitalizes it, leaves a dewy radiance, and definitely boosts moisture and leaves you with a nice glow. It also has rose water, a few different extracts in there. Thyme extract, which clarifies and also works as a bit of a toner. It has rose water, which rejuvenates and moisturizes the skin, and also gardenia extract as well, which boost antioxidants. So this has been a new addition to my routine. I will definitely leave this item's information in the video description box. Alright, so we're moving right along and we're coming to the moisturizing part of this routine. And I told you guys a few weeks ago about receiving new products from W2Naturals. This is their Rejuvenate Starter Kit. You guys, so I am new to the whole anti-aging products game, but I do realize there comes a time and a place for items such as these, especially when you get a little older and your body doesn't retain a lot of the nutrients and vitamins that you used to have in your youth. A lot of these things come into handy. This Rejuvenate Starter Kit, I'm trying to give you guys a nice display of it, but I'm just going to include a picture because it's a little hard to hold these all up and get them into the camera. This Rejuvenate Starter Kit has a 5 face care treatment set. All of these are to help you with aging, anti-aging, reducing lines, fine lines and wrinkles, and adding hydration. It comes with a day cream with vitamin C, a collagen boosting serum, a Hydra Lift moisturizing cream, a vitamin C serum, and a pigmentation correcting serum. So what I like to do for my daytime routine is go in first with the vitamin C serum, and I just put 2 to 3 drops, okay, maybe 4, all over my face, and I massage in and decollet from there, just to make sure it is all over and applied. When you use the vitamin C serum, you definitely, if you plan to spend a lot of time out in the sun, you want to include SPF in your routine and make sure you are protecting your skin, because the sun unfortunately does have some harmful UV rays that can affect your complexion and skin health. And so after I apply that, I move on over to the day cream with the vitamin C. As you can see, it is almost gone. I definitely use this the most for my daytime routine. It is made with several organic ingredients. The first few on the list are purified water, organic sunflower seed oil, avocado oil, and there are a few moisturizing alcohols, vegetable glycerin, shea butter. Definitely some good things packed into this day cream. And you guys, I tell you, when I apply this, my skin feels so supple, so soft, so moisturized. I mean, for 24 hours and beyond. The reason why I know it goes beyond 24 hours is because, sometimes I'm on my lazy days and I don't go in with my whole routine and I feel my skin and it feels so good. So this is definitely a new staple in my skincare routine. Now, lastly, but definitely not in the least bit, I go in with my W2Naturals Organic Lip Balm. This is a must, you guys. You cannot have a glowy skin, facial look and leave your lips dry and crunchy and chapped. We cannot have that. And we don't use chapstick over here. No, ma'am, we use W2Naturals in this household. I love the ingredients for all of their products as well. Now, their lip balm provides instant moisture to dry, cracked lips, protects against extremely hot as well as extremely cold weather like we're having right now. This stuff is amazing. It is made with coconut oil, shea butter, essential oil blend, and beeswax. So you guys, you definitely have to check out W2Naturals as well. I will put their information in the video description box below also. That's all there is to it. That is how I achieve this glowy, dewy skin with my winter daytime skincare routine. You guys, let me know if you have enjoyed this video. If you found this video useful or helpful, please definitely give me a thumbs up and feel free to tell a friend, share with a friend, make sure they tell a friend. Look out for my discount codes in the description box below. And as always, live out loud, own your truth, and let your light shine.